In this video, I am going to show you the RCA TV codes for universal remotes and how to program your remote to control your RCA TV. If you're using a universal remote and need to set it up with your RCA TV, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Find the RCA TV code. First, here are some common RCA TV codes for universal remotes. RCA 10,000 11756 10178. Samsung 10812 10178 11756. Sony 10,000 10178 11317. LG 10,180 11,565 10,856. If you don't see your brand here, you can refer to your Universal Remote Manual or search online for the correct code. Step 2. Program the Universal Remote. Turn on your RCA TV. Press and hold the TV button on your Universal Remote until the red indicator stays on. Then release the button. Enter the code for your RCA TV. The red indicator will blink and turn off once the correct code is entered. Test the remote by turning the TV off and adjusting the volume to make sure it works. Step 3. Auto search method. If the code doesn't work, you can try the auto search method. Turn on your TV. Press and hold the TV button until the red indicator stays on. Press and release the power button repeatedly until the TV turns off. This can take some time. Once the TV turns off, press enter to store the code. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.